Hello and welcome to the first tutorial on my channel about using SketchUp. I will be making a new video almost daily, so make sure to subscribe to my channel. So in this first tutorial I'm gonna make a very simple shape in SketchUp. It will be a round tube. A round tube can be used in various cases for architecture, for industry and all other 3D models. So this is very useful shape to know how to make. So to make a basic round tube, all you need to do is use a couple of tools. So first of all, you simply select the circle tool. Now, once you click the origin point of circle, you can either select the outer diameter of your tube by simply moving the mouse around and doing it like that, but you can enter the exact radius of the tube by your keyboard. So as you can see at the bottom right corner of SketchUp, there is a field that changes the radius value when you move the mouse. So you can just set the radius by moving the mouse very accurately, but usually the faster and easier way is just to enter the radius of the circle. So in my case I wanna make a tube that has a radius of 250 millimeters. So I simply put 250 millimeters on my keyboard and press enter. So this is the outer diameter of our tube. Now we also have to separate the wall of the tube from the inside of the tube. So to do that we use offset tool. You can do that with the circle tool by making another circle, but it would be harder and include more calculations usually. So what you do, you simply select the offset tool, go over the circle, and once the point is on the outside diameter of the circle, you click the mouse once and move the circle inwards. So once again you can simply choose the thickness of the wall by simply moving the mouse, and you can see it at the same location that you saw the radius of the tube, or you can simply enter the wall thickness like you enter the radius of the tube. So in my case I want the walls to be 20 millimeters thick, so enter 20 and press enter. So now we have the wall of the tube and also the inner part of the tube. So what we want to do now is select the select tool, click on the inner part of the tube and press the delete button on your keyboard. So only the wall is left because the inside of the tube should be empty. And now the only thing left to do is actually use the push-pull tool to make this shape into a functioning tube. So all you do is click on the face and move the tube around, and once again you can simply move it with mouse and look at the distance at the right bottom corner, or you can enter the distance. So I want my pipe to be 2.5 meters. So I enter 2500 millimeters and press enter button. So now I have a pipe of a diameter of 500 millimeters in a length of 2.5 meters that has a wall thickness of 20 millimeters. So this works not only with metric, this works with imperial measurements too. This works in all shapes and sizes of pipes. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions about the tools I have used or any alternative methods to making tubes, feel free to leave a comment down below and I will do my best to answer it. And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more great SketchUp tutorials. Thank you for watching and bye bye.